PHM. Prognostic and health management. PHM can assist factories in predicting equipment health and maintenance needs in advance. Through data analysis and predictive technology, reducing unexpected breakdowns and downtime. This leads to lower maintenance costs, increased equipment efficiency, and ensuring the safe operation of equipment. It also provides users with a good maintenance cycle. The PHM technologies follow the industrial big data analysis process in the following sequence: data acquisition, data preprocessing, feature extraction, modeling, diagnostics and prognostic, visualization. FONG's PHM management can provide equipment health assessment, comprehensive clearance health assessment, oil level health assessment, oil quality health assessment, and estimated maintenance and upkeep time. Users can then use this information to suggest relevant planning and actions. By using visual dashboards, analysis results and recommendations are presented to managers in a concise and clear manner, making equipment management no longer a lengthy and difficult process.